Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to share my thoughts with you on these daily Rowney Georgian water mixable oil paints. These paints are great for beginners and those who want to try out oil paints. They are water mixable, so you're able to experience oil painting without the solvent based mediums. This means that they can be washed, mixed and thinned with water. This paint range offers 40 different colours, however the starter set I'm using contains only 6: titanium white, cadmium yellow, crimson alizarin hue, French ultramarine, yellow ochre and viridium hue. These are great colours on their own, however as a palette I feel these are limited colours, and although these paints are very vibrant and pigmented, the outcome of the painting can appear quite dull. I did one painting thinning the paints with water and applying with a paintbrush. I found the dull colours came through when mixed with the titanium white, and that occasionally when mixing the paint with water, the pigment wouldn't fully mix and separate. That being said, I painted another scene with a palette knife and not mixing the palette with water. The paint had a velvet smooth texture and glided across the paper well. This mirrored the more traditional oil painting method well and gave vibrant colours. These paints are supposed to take 5 to 7 days to be surface dry. Mine took a little longer and remained a little sticky to touch. I like to experiment with drips and layering when testing out new paints, and the drips on my final seascape here resemble strikes of lightning as they remain bold and opaque. It was fun to use these paints, and I do recommend that you try them out if you want to experience oil paintings. I personally would like to experiment with these paints with a wider colour palette. I hope this information was useful if you wish to try out this brand of paints, and I hope you liked my abstract seascapes. If you liked this video, then please like and subscribe and leave a comment below what you think of these paints if you have used them before. Thanks for watching guys, see you next time.